Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the future perfect continuous tense. Let's start with a positive or affirmative form. To make it we need a subject, for example I, will, have, been, and the ing form of a verb, for example living.
I will have been living. You will have been living. He will have been living. She will have been living. It will have been living. We will have been living. You will have been living. They will have been living.
To make the negative form we need a subject, will, not, have, been, and the ing form of a verb. For example, working.
I will not have been working. You will not have been working. He will not have been working. She will not have been working. It will not have been working. We will not have been working. You will not have been working. They will not have been working.
To make questions we need will, a subject, have, been, and the ing form of a verb. For example, exercising.
Will I have been exercising? Will you have been exercising? Will he have been exercising? Will she have been exercising? Will it have been exercising? Will we have been exercising? Will you have been exercising? Will they have been exercising?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words like what or how long.
How long will I have been living here? What will you have been cooking? Where will he have been working? How long will she have been studying? How long will it have been crying? What will we have been working on? Where will you have been traveling? Why will they have been listening to it?
And now that you know how to make the future perfect continuous tense, it's time to learn how to use it. Future perfect continuous is a bit similar to future perfect in the sense that both of these tenses need a specific point in the future. The difference is that the future perfect continuous focuses on the length of an action. Let's say I'm meeting a friend of mine, Pam, for coffee. So it's 10 o'clock, I'm in a cafe, and suddenly I get a call from Pam.
Hi, Lab. I'm terribly sorry, but I'm going to be late. There's a huge traffic jam, and it might take me an hour to get there.
So, by the time Pam arrives, I will have been waiting for an hour. Here are some other examples of how to use the future perfect continuous tense.
In June, I will have been working here for 5 years. Mom will have been cleaning the house for 3 hours by the time our guests arrive. Will they have been working when we call them? We're going to California next month. By the time we arrive there, we will have been traveling for 28 hours. Can't wait.
Remember that we can only use action verbs with the future perfect continuous tense. State verbs like own or be should be used with the future perfect tense.
He will have owned this house for 20 years by the time he retires. He will have been owning this house for 20 years by the time he retires.
And now let's move on to the exercise. Watch this playlist if you want to learn more about future tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!